Good morning from Berlin. Today is the beginning of our series using SQL and MongoDB. To get us started, let's create a very simple query. We'll use the customers collection. You'll find the link to it in the video description. And using this collection, let's find customers who have less than 20 transactions and are based in Berlin or New York. We'll fire up SQL. After clicking it, you'll see that it automatically creates a basic select all command. We'll go ahead and build from this query and type where transactions less than 20 and address.city equals Berlin or address.city equals New York. Then let's run our query. And congratulations, you've just successfully created your first SQL query in MongoDB. Here we have all records of customers who have less than 20 transactions and are based in New York or Berlin. To learn more about using SQL and MongoDB, you can click on the link in the description or watch the next video. Thanks for watching and happy querying.